Hello everyone, good morning. I'm once again traveling with my best friend Hanafi. We're here in Flims and we're going to show you one of the most beautiful landscapes in Switzerland. Well, for that we have to walk through a very beautiful forest. It's going to take roughly 40 minutes. And yeah, let's load some Switzerland Wonderland vibes.
Let's go.
There's this trail here, it's called Gonbächli, and that's going to lead you along a creek. And yeah, that one is actually very magical. It's made for families and for anybody who is a nature lover. So Hanafi, how's the way of water so far? I see you taking a lot of photos and videos.
The curves, every turns of the water gives a pretty amazing view, pictures, videos that you could take and share.
Yeah.
It's definitely something very aesthetic.
So we are probably at one of the most beautiful corners at the Gonbächli. Wow, pure healing vibes. This place is so great. Perfect way of water. Yeah, the sound, the water, then many greens, the ferns, the pine trees, the entire ensemble. It's just so peaceful and refueling with energy. Just always follow the creek, then we will take you to the platform Il Spir. This is the second part, actually even more beautiful part of this creek trail. And yeah, I just love everything here. The smells, it's so fresh. The sounds, well, I really can't get enough of it.
Please, if you are here, make sure you check this place out. This place is amazing. It's very quaint. It's very cozy and yeah.
Oi. So this is now the part where the Conn trail and the regular paved trail, they're going to split. We're now entering the deep forest, and yeah, so if you really want to go to the Rhine Canyon, just follow this creek now. Don't try to go to the other trail, because otherwise you'll definitely get lost. So this part is a lot more quiet. And yeah, we're now in the deep forest. The other trail, it's somewhere else. I don't know where exactly. But yeah, I just love the atmosphere now. Also the light is much less, so there's more shade, and certainly during the warm summer days this is definitely something very enjoyable. There's another intersection between the Conn trail and the road. So if you want to go easy, then follow this road here. Otherwise, if you just want to follow the creek, then that's the way to go. I do have to say it's quite stretching a bit, so from here it takes another 15 minutes. Actually, if you take the normal road, the hiking trail from the Caumasee to the platform should only take 40 minutes. But well, I guess this is because there are a lot of obstacles, a lot of roots, rocks. But then it's more quiet and you're definitely better connecting to nature when you're hiking along the small creek. Just before I mentioned it takes quite long, but then actually this part it's really even, so we're advancing here a lot faster, and you can also see that when I'm checking on the map. So yeah, I guess it's not that far anymore to reach the platform, and you can take it for granted. The view will be outstanding. Here we have our first view over the Rhine Canyon, but that's actually not the best view that you can get, so we have to hike further to Conn, and from there can then ascend the platform Il Spir. So we're just done with the hiking trail of the Conn. From here it's going to take another few minutes to the platform Il Spir, and for that we have to walk along this road. Almost reached the platform. It's very near, so it's just 50 meters in this direction. And then I'll show you this fantastic view. So this here is the canyon with the Rhine. You can see the river bend. Wow, it looks really impressive. You can see also the mountains. And in this direction is the Passo del Lucomagno. So there's a lot going on. There are a couple of people here on the platform. And down there you can once in a while see the Glacier Express passing. There's even people who go for kayaking or river rafting. And there's also a hiking trail down there, so definitely you got enough to do in here. Now we're going back to Flims, by horse carriage. Good.
Vorwärts. Ja.
So we're now back in Flims. It was a fantastic day with amazing weather. And yeah, if you want to watch more videos like this, then I'm going to see over there. I present you a beautiful Swiss village. And otherwise, if you're more interested in nature, then let's meet in this video.